Hello friends, so in this video we will learn about Dsum formula, how to use a Dsum formula in Excel. So we have already created a sheet here where we have a name, items, like name of items like brand, units, price and month. So from this database we need to find a certain things, like we need to find the sum of prices of some items with a certain price. Like suppose we will take here laptop, and if the price of laptop is more than 30,000, how we can find it? What is the total of that? Earlier we can use it sum a formula, but here we are using dsum. Like we can use sum a formula, or either like your index formula, match formula, but here it is possible to do it with dsum formula. To do that, what we need to do, we need to put an equal to sign here and then write down dsum. After writing it dsum, we have to open the bracket. The one thing about this formula is that our headers need to be the same in the criteria which are in our database. So both need to be the same. The spelling and the style should be the same. They should be in an exact same way which we put in the database. Only then this formula will work. So we have written here dsum. After writing dsum, we have to go to the database here. So it is saying like we can find out a formula just below it, how we can use it here in this. Like first of all we have to write down, then we have to select the database. So our database is this complete sheet. We just take it to here. Here we have put the total of our prices. After that it will ask about the field. For field we just put in comma here and then go to the price. So we need to find out the price of laptop which is greater than, which is sale is more than like 30,000. So we just put press click on price, just on this cell only, just on our heading. After that we select this heading and press F9 from our keyboard. Now it has already taken this sheet, so it has selected all this criteria, all the prices. It selected all the prices in the field. After that I will put a comma here and it will ask about the criteria. Our criteria is finding laptop which are more than 30,000. So I will just select this till the end. We have to select this complete criteria, from which include your headers also, and then we will close it and then enter. So now we will find the sum of our prices of our laptop. Suppose we change it to computers. So our sum of prices of computers, which prices are more than 30,000, it is showing sum of that. So this formula is used for summing all the data according to our criteria. Now we have taken a second example here. We have month, name of items and brand. Now if we need the sum of prices month wise, we can even use it in that way. So we have taken the headings. From this heading need to be the same. The headings which we are taken in the database, our criteria need to have the same headings, same spelling, everything. Now sum of prices month wise we need to find out. To that we need to put as equal to here, and then we will put dsum, bracket open. Again same thing, we have to select the database till there, then we will put comma. What we need to find? We need to find the prices. We click on prices and just select this price cell and then press F9 from our keyboard. So here it will take the complete list of these prices. After that we will put comma and then we will select this our criteria, which include headings also. After selecting this, we put this closing the close this and bracket close here and then press enter. Now it is taking the complete price sum. Like we have already taken it, it is 8,25,000. It is also showing 8,25,000. But if we will put a price here now, like if a month here, like we will put Jan, so it will only show the price of Jan. If we will take an item, so it will only show the price of item. If we will take some brand, like we will take Dell here, so it will only show the price of laptop which are of Dell sale on January. So this way we can do it very easily, finding the exact criteria which we need to find out. So thank you very much for watching this Dsum formula. If you like it, you can subscribe us on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. Thank you very much.